In the manufacturing industry, the assembly of complex products is a time-consuming process. It requires large amount of time and huge effort from the human operators. For example, in the Alitrak company, the industrial partner of this project, they assemble complex electromechanical vehicles composed by many parts. The assembly of one of these machines requires from 6 to 8 hours, and it is completely manual at the moment. Furthermore, given the high complexity of this process, the company is required to have a high degree of digitization. All the information have to be structured in a proper way. This avoids the usage of long and difficult-to-read papers that make the whole process very prone to errors. For this reason, in the OSCAR project, we are proposing an automated and robotized solution to help the human operator during all the assembly steps. In OSCAR, that stands for Operations for Self-Checked Cooperative Assembly with Humans and Robots, we propose to exploit a cooperative manipulator and a mixed reality interface that assist and drive the human worker during the assembly process of the end-user machines. One of the key elements in OSCAR is a mixed reality interface that provides visual and intuitive feedback to the human operator all along the assembly process. Thanks to this interface, easy to exploit and easy to manage, no additional paper material has to be printed. All the information is retrieved already in the correct and exact order and at the right moment. This solution is reducing the assembly time and makes the learning phase for new products much more fast. The collaborative assembly is achieved by using a cooperative robot manipulator. This has a huge impact on the working condition for humans that don't have to account for all the steps in the assembly recipe anymore, because many of them can be performed by the robot in an autonomous way. Thanks to the robot and the FIWARE infrastructure implemented in OSCAR, the human will be assisted during the whole process, thus reducing drastically the total assembly time. During the assembly process, OSCAR is monitoring the operator activity, and this information is displayed on a customized graphical interface that can be rapidly accessed over the whole factory network thanks to the data model integration that we developed in the FIWARE network.